Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today's tutorial I'm going to talk about the service layer. In this application I have made the service layer kind of like very skeleton type. I mean there is no logic in here, but in the practical purpose or in a corporation the service layer is really very big and fat. So what is the reason? Because in the service layer we are going to put our internal logic or internal processes code into Java methods or whatever you can say. So over here you can see that user access service is validating, and when I move on to the implementation I'm just invoking what? I'm just invoking the data layer or the DAO interfaces. But actually let's think about a situation where we are going to add a new guest. In that case we are accepting the username and let's say age and address. So some of the validation thing can be part of the service layer. So let's say the guest is allowed only when the age is 15 years and older. Okay, so in that case whenever the guest is inputting some date of birth or something like that, the validation process within the service layer will check that whether the guest is allowed to be added in the database. So this is just one simple example. In a corporation there can be so many different scenarios, and all those scenarios are going to be part of the service layer. And again, the service layer is sitting in between the controller and the data layer, and we have to be very careful about the purpose of the service layer. So that means we are not going to write our SQL queries or something within our service layer. So anything that relates to the data should be going to the data layer, and anything that relates to the HTTP or something like that should be going to the presentation layer. So the service layer is going to be absolutely for implementing the business processes. Okay, that's it. Thank you.